Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Lexus RX 350 trunk with a dead battery. First, you will need to gain entry into your vehicle. Your key fob contains a hidden mechanical key. Simply press the small release button on the fob to slide out this emergency key. Next, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It is often concealed behind a small plastic cover. Gently pry this cover off, insert your mechanical key, and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. This provides manual access to your car. Now that you are inside your Lexus RX 350, the next step is to open the hood. Look for the hood release lever, which is usually situated on the lower left side of the dashboard, near the driver's footwell. Give this lever a firm pull to release the primary hood latch. Then, walk to the front of your vehicle. You will need to locate a secondary safety latch, often found under the center of the hood, and push it to fully open the hood. With the hood open, you can now provide temporary power to your vehicle. Connect the red, positive jumper cable to the positive terminal under your Lexus's hood. Then, attach the black, negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on the engine block or frame. Connect the other ends of the cables to a working 12-volt battery. Allow it to charge for about 5 to 10 minutes. This temporary power should be enough to activate your electronic trunk release button inside the cabin or on your key fob. If the electronic trunk release still does not work after providing temporary power, you can use the manual override. First, fold down your rear seats to gain access to the cargo area. Carefully crawl into the trunk space. Look closely at the inside panel of the trunk lid for a small, often rectangular or oval cover. This cover conceals the emergency release mechanism. Gently pry it open, and you will find a brightly colored lever, usually yellow or green. Pull this lever firmly to manually unlatch the trunk, allowing you to open it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.